and I'm presenting financial services related some topics. Let's begin with merchant banking. Merchant banking is a company that deals mostly in international finance, business, loan for companies and underwriting, which is categorized into two: banking service and consultancy service. Banking service, which helps to raise the finance, and consultancy service, which helps to provide an advisory services. Merchant banking is a combination of banking and consultancy services. It provides consultancy to its client for financial, marketing, managerial, and legal matters, which is also helps to raise and collect the finance, and which is also helps to revive sick business unit and reform into a new one. Next, we see about origin of the merchant banking. Merchant banking originated through London merchant in financing foreign trade through acceptance of bill. Merchant banks helps to government of underdeveloped countries in raising long-term funds through bonds. It extends their service later in form of loan syndication to long-term and short-term, underwriting of new shares, portfolio managers, etc. Next, we see about the difference between commercial bank and merchant bank. First one is meaning. Commercial bank is a banking company established by a number of people for providing the basic banking concept. And merchant banking refers to a financial institution that specialized in international trade and provide array of service to its clients. Second basis for difference: government act or body regulated by Banking Regulation Act 1949, and merchant banking, which is regulated by SEBI, engaged in general banking business, and merchant banking is consultancy type business. And next base for nature of loan extended: commercial bank is debt related and merchant banking is equity related. Next, loan. Commercial bank is a financier, merchant bank is financial advisor. Next, we see about services of merchant banking. The first service is corporate counseling. It covers the entire field of merchant banking activities such as project counseling, capital reconstruction, project management, public issue management, loan syndication, working capital, etc. Scope is limited to give suggestion and opinion to the client and help taking action to solve a problem. Second service is project counseling. Include preparation of project reports, deciding upon the financing pattern to finance, the cost of project, and appraising project report with FI or banks. Reports are prepared to obtain government approval, get financial assistance from institutions, and plan for public issue. And third one is loan syndication. Refers to assistance rendered by merchant bank to get term loan for project from single FI or a syndicate or consortium. They help corporate client to raise syndicate loans from commercial banks. Decision regarding financial institutions deal should meeting expenses is fixed by financial institutions. And fourth one is issue management. Management of issue involves marketing of corporate securities. For example, equity, preference, debentures, or bonds by offer to public. Merchant banks act as an intermediator to transfer capital from those who own it to those who need it. Issue management involves two categories. First one is pre-issue management and second one is post-issue management. Next service is portfolio management. Portfolio refers to investment in different kind of securities such as an asset, shares, debentures, or bond issued by different companies or government, which is also known as a pool of investment. Portfolio management refers to maintain a proper combination of securities in the manner that they give maximum return with the minimum risk. Every investor is very much interested in safety and liquidity of investment. Mutual fund merchant banker provide expert service in portfolio management. They conduct survey to know monetary and fiscal policies of government, financial statement of various corporate sectors, secondary market position to know how share market is, changing pattern of industry, competition faced by industry with similar industry. Merchant bankers have to analyze the survey and help prospective investors in choosing shares. They generally have to classify the investors based on capacity and risk they can take, arrangement appropriate investment. Thus, the plan successfully investment strategies for investors. And next one is advisory services related to merger and takeovers. Merger is a combination of two or more companies into a single company. One survive and another lost their corporate existence. Takeover is the purchase by one company acquiring controlling interest in the share capital of another company. Merchant banking are middleman in setting negotiation between offeree and offerer. They act as a professional expert. They are apt to safeguard the interest of the shareholders in both companies. Merchant banker negotiates purchase consideration and make payment. He gets approval from the government like RBI draft schemes of amalgamation and obtain approval from financial institution. And next, offshore financing. It's a long-term foreign currency loan joint venture in abroad, and it facilitates financing export and import, and it also helps to foreign collaboration arrangements. And next one is non-resistant investment. Provide advisory services to NRI to identify investment opportunities, selection of securities in investment pattern, etc. Take care of operational details like purchase, sales of security, clearance from RBI, etc. Thank you for watching this video. Thank you.